Jenessa Turbes with New Dawn Realty, Metro Brokers, and this is Real Simple, where I simplify all things real estate. I have been in real estate for 5 years now, and I love it. I still think it's so fun and exciting. I love meeting new people, and I love helping people in their investment dreams, whatever that looks like. I am a Colorado Springs native, so I know the area well, and I grew up out east, so I can work anywhere from Eastern El Paso and Elbert County, Colorado Springs, up to Monument, over to Black Forest area, Falcon, all that that's kind of my sphere of where my expertise lies. As a realtor, I strive to help my clients in the best way that I can, and that's usually by helping them, guiding them, educating them. There's a lot of unknowns when you are exploring the real estate market for the first time, so I'm here to kind of help you navigate through the process and all that. For my buyers, I always offer a home warranty as part of your kind of closing package. I am the one that's going to be doing your showings. If for some reason I am out of town, I do have some trusted agents that I will ask, main one communicating with you throughout the transaction. I do have a transaction coordinator to kind of keep the file in order and everything, but I will be doing the majority of the contacting of the communication with you. For my sellers, I always offer a cleaning, whether that be a move-out cleaning, so once you're all moved out, ready for the new buyers to come in, we can do a cleaning in that period, or we can do a cleaning before showings start or before pictures happen. Whatever is gonna help you out the most. But I always offer a cleaning that I take care of myself to kind of help make that part at least easier, since there's a lot to think about when you're selling a home. I also work the full transaction with my sellers. I'll be the main one communicating with you. Again, my transaction coordinator will be kind of keeping the file in order, but I will be doing most of the communication with you. I also will cover a staging consultation. So I bring my stager in, she walks through your house and makes suggestions on areas that she herself could stage or changes that you can make to make the house look a little more presentable for your buyers. So those are some of the services I offer. Of course, also for sellers, marketing is a big thing. I have a great marketing program technique between printed materials, open houses, social media, newsletters, word of mouth throughout my Colorado Springs community, as well as my Denver office. So there are lots of avenues as far as marketing goes, lots of services I offer for both buyers and sellers. Again, I just want to make the process as seamless for you. So if you have any questions on the services I offer, please let me know, and I look forward to working with you.